What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your credit or debit card details on Facebook ads account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type it Facebook or facebook.com, and after that you will be redirected to the login or sign up dashboard of Facebook. From there, if you already have a Facebook account, you simply need to log in and then you will be automatically welcome to the homepage of Facebook. But if you don't have a Facebook account, just simply sign up with that Facebook account via your email and password to create your new Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side, as you can see this waffle-like icon, which is the menu icon, click on this icon and then click on this ad section right here. After clicking on the Ads section, the new Ad Manager tab will opening your Facebook Ads section. From here, hover to the left side and then click on Billing and Payments. Now, after clicking on the Billing and Payments, a new page will open of Billing and Payments. From there, you will see the option of payment methods and you will see the button to add payment method. Click on this and then you will see multiple payment methods. Select debit or credit card and click on next. From here, enter the name of your card number, your expiration date, and your CVV number. And when you are done, simply click on save, and then your credit or debit card's details will be added successfully to your Facebook account. So that is all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.